Hey guys, today we're taking apart an iPhone. See, this is one of the pieces of an iPhone.
Yeah.
Over here is the screen of an iPhone.
That looks like
actually, this is the screen.
Yeah,
It's
and
all
that's
screwed up.
like the complete.
And that's like part of the camera of an
And
iPhone.
that's the
That's the button of an iPhone. And that's the front camera of an iPhone. Right there.
That's the
So guys, we're gonna continue in
There's the actual camera.
and not burn ourselves, hopefully.
So,
Going in with scissors real quick.
yo, can I please peel it off?
Hang on.
Really good. So yeah, he's coding. Thanks.
There's sweeper lady, I guess.
Yeah, she's a sweet lady.
Yeah,
Like
well,
she-
you guys got glass everywhere, and I don't
How?
want Dad to come out here. See, it was all right here.
We're doing it over the bucket though.
Yeah, well, it was all right there.
Okay, well thanks, sweeper
Well,
lady.
Dad's not coming barefoot.
Well,
Yeah, glass still needs to be picked up though. She did us a favor.
Sorry.
Thanks.
Sorry, the phone's gonna go crazy.
Don't pay attention to the phone.
you're gonna clean up all that mess, right?
Yeah, but grab the
With
broom.
the sweeper.
Bring the broom.
Yeah, I know.
We don't need it.
You can clean up all right
Yeah, we don't need it.
there.
Yeah, we don't need it. You can take it. Yeah, our sister's being a big brat. She didn't even put the broom away.
Here, look out. Here we go. Pay attention to the phone.
I am.
This part's kind of difficult.
Smacking it out. Smack them. Ooh. That makes no sense. Why would you rub it?
Because it looked cool. Oh, just in case you guys wanted to know, these are about 600 brand new, depending on where you go. So yeah, it's pretty good fun.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here comes another beautiful piece coming off.
Oh, here comes another beautiful piece. He got it in. Try peeling it.
Wait, there's a part right here that connects into it. Guys, I think this is the battery.
Oh,
I'll try to salvage this piece, but... Oh, there we go. Okay.
He got it.
Oh, I didn't... Wait.
Ooh, he's getting it.
Ugh.
It's almost off. Ooh. Oh, don't break it. Here, I got a better idea.
Wait, move.
It must be really hard to make a phone if that's how it does that.
Ah, that's how you get to the battery of an iPhone, guys.
Yep, and there's the battery.
Ah.
Ooh. Piece of glass just popped. Oh. I think we just lost the part.
No.
Okay, and here's
Wow.
this part.
Ah, you guys have to go through a lot of stuff to get to your iPhone battery, too.
Wait, hold the camera.
But...
You can take out the battery so easily.
I
Just
know.
let me see it. With hand. Let me see it.
My hands are all dirty. You're gonna have to try to video it while you do it. Just kidding, I'll try. Here, face the other way. Okay, let's see. Go.
Okay, so let's get this baby out.
So easily, huh?
Bit off of.
And we just use the screwdriver. Here, it's funner. Hold. Did you do your chores?
Yeah.
I did. Mine too.
Yeah, it's coming out.
Not really.
Oh, I thought it was. Yeah, it's gonna break. Which I already did from one of those pops.
Wait, here we go. Yeah, this puppy did not want to come out.
Oh. Oh! Baby! Came out. So there's another part. Let's see it.
That's the battery. Careful. I don't know anything about batteries. The only thing I know is you're not supposed to play with.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm just showing them.
Alright, set it down.
There's that.
Let's try not to make too big of a mess.
Okay, I hope we don't run them out of space with this. Probably last for 10 minutes. So, okay.
Oh,
Ooh, should get. Ooh,
oh.
oh, it's a good piece. Breaking the screwdriver. Your face looks so sweaty. Oh, and there's a random cow.
Probably should have used a screwdriver here, guys.
There's a random
But
cow.
I don't have one small.
There's the whole universe.
Okay, pay attention, will you?
I will. Okay, there's probably a pot or just glass. Nobody knows until it comes out.
Quit. Oh, wait, we gotta be careful with the SIM card.
Ooh, SIM card, huh?
Yeah, SIM card.
You know, we can actually take that out if Dad was here. He has the perfect tool to get it out. Perfect.
Wow.
You probably might need a pin.
Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it.
Let me see.
It's your main parts of an iPhone.
Main parts. So there is one.
There's the main frame.
Yep. Okay.
Battery, part of the screen, the actual screen, and another piece of the screen,
A button,
button, front,
back.
and back camera. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day, and I'll should be making more videos now
Peace.
that school's out.